Video Lesson 14, Java Development and Design Patterns. Welcome to our lesson on essential design patterns in Java. Design patterns are best practices that help solve common software development challenges, making code more efficient, reusable, and maintainable. Let's explore some key patterns and see how they are used in Java development. Let's start with the Singleton pattern. The Singleton pattern ensures that only one instance of a class exists throughout the application. It's commonly used for classes that manage shared resources, like configuration settings. Example: public class Singleton, private static Singleton instance, private Singleton, public static Singleton get instance. If instance equals null, instance equals new Singleton, return instance. Here, get instance checks if an instance exists. If not, it creates one, ensuring a single instance. Next is the factory pattern. The factory pattern is used to create objects without specifying the exact class. It provides an interface for creating instances, letting subclasses decide which class to instantiate. Example: public interface shape, void draw. Public class circle implements shape, public void draw. System.out.println, drawing a circle. Public class shape factory, public static shape get shape, string shape type. If circled equals ignore case, shape type. Return new circle. Return null. Shape circle equals shape factory to get shape, circle. Circle.draw. In this example, shape factory decides which shape to create based on input. The observer pattern allows one object, known as the subject, to notify other objects, called observers, of any state changes. This is useful in situations where multiple components need to respond to changes in one component. Example:
import Java, util, arraylist, import Java, util, list.
Interface observer, void update. Class subject, private list observer observers equals new array list. Public void add observer, observer. Observers.add observer. Public void notify observers. For observer observers. Observer.update. Here, the subject notifies all observers when a change occurs. Java also uses the Model View Controller (MVC) architecture, which separates the application logic model from the UI view and input control controller. This pattern is widely used in applications that require a clear separation of concerns, making them easier to manage and test. To summarize, design patterns like Singleton, Factory, and Observer, as well as architectural patterns like MVC, provide reliable solutions to common coding challenges. By using these patterns, you can make your Java applications more organized, efficient, and maintainable. Java design patterns: build smarter, code faster.